My rug needs to be cleaned. I've cleaned it in the past, but I've only done the part that's outside of under my bed. I wonder if my sister can help me pull it out. Do you think you can lift the bed up while I pull it out?
No.
I'll lift and you pull. Okay, we got this side out. Now I have to do this side. And she's the reason that there is stuff all under my bed. Taking this to the kitchen. That vacuum literally did nothing. There is no like trash or anything in the little compartment. I think it's like stopped up with stuff. We gotta get this all cleaned out. I got it mostly cleaned out. This should work a lot better. So the first time I vacuumed, there was hardly anything in the vacuum. This time, there is so much dirt and debris in there. Oh, that's insane. Who would have thought that was on my rug? Don't come at me for how dirty this thing is. I know it needs to be cleaned. We've just had it for several years. I got our carpet cleaner out of the garage. This has to be filled with hot water. It came with this solution. This is the best carpet cleaner for getting anything out of your rug. This is taking forever to fill up. So I've cleaned half the rug, and this is all of the dirty water. The second half was not as bad as this side, but I think this side was more dirty because it's the side when you first come in my room and like my dog loves to run under there, and that's where she lays, so it's filthy.
It's so white.
I know, it looks more colorful than it was before, right?
Yeah.
My rug is not even that wet at all because the vacuum sucked most of it up. But while it's finishing drying, I need to sweep and mop my floors. Let's see under my bed. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Did you make all the messes under the bed? Did you do that? For some reason, this area where the rug was, it's not like sticky, but it's, what's the word for it?
I don't know, it's weird. It feels weird.
So I'm gonna do a good mop. I think what it is OxyClean. I put OxyClean down one day, do the vacuum, and I think maybe it sunk through and that's why it's like that. Don't hit the wall, don't hit the wall. Just a Tiffany box laying there. I don't think that matches.
It's fine, just save it.
Just clean behind my dresser. Our cleaning ladies aren't doing a good job because behind my nightstand was sticky, and I thought that was something like they did. Like I thought they got under furniture. I guess they don't. The only way to clean under my bed is to move it.
Kayla, why do we have to do this?
I can't take you seriously with chocolate all over your mouth. All right, so we're pushing it forward. Ready, set, go. Oh, that was way easier than I thought it would be. We just hit the wall.
It's fine.
This is much needed. It's so sticky right there. It won't even go through. Sticky, isn't it?
Okay.
Scooting the bed back now. I just mopped the rest of the floor and under the part of the bed that we didn't get earlier. I just did a final sweep. It is now time to put the rug back under. It is dry. Miley's getting it rolled up, dragging it in here. We're gonna pick up the bed while Miley slides it under. You got it, Miley. Almost even.
And we finished.
It looks so good. My room feels fresh.